Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will discuss how we can make a enemy AI that will use to create any game. So first of all, I will show you how I can work and how it can work. Now you see that my character is moving. Uh, so this is the scene that have created. Now if I increase the ground, the character will move accordingly. So this is the AI of this character. Now let's get started. First you need to create an empty object. I have already created it, so now click it. Now first we have to need this type of texture and a sprite, any sprite and a character that is used for this. So now drag and drop this and little bit increase the size of the ground and set there. Now we should need to add a collider. So because it's a 2D game, so we use box collider 2D for this. Now drag and drop our character. So I will name it player. Now its size it's little bit high. I can adjust it. So drop it. Now we need to add box collider 2D also with the character and rigid body 2D. Now in rigid body we should use to gravity scale 0 so it cannot fall down. Now everything is set up. Now go to the script and create. Now we should have to create a new script. We should name this player AI enemy AI. Okay, and now open it in Visual Studio. First we should remove this. So now first we need to create a float variable that is speed. So public speed float sp speed. We should select it in further. After that we should use to create another variable for transform that is used to ground detection. So public transform ground detection. Now after that we should create our third variable that we should use is bool type. So I can create it private bool move right equals to true. So this is the variable that we use to detect our character will moving right or left. So after that we should use a public float recast. So we should also use a recast that will use to detect the ground. So after that now go to the script update and check that the ground and other AI of this. Now after that we should move to the update method and start to move our character. So transform, draw, translate into vector 2 dot right, comma, multiply with speed, multiply with time dot delta time, so it can move smoothly. Now after that it should save it, and now we should use arraycast 2D to detect whether our ground is ended or not. So I am using arraycast with 2D, call its 2D object ground info equals to physics 2D dot raycast. In raycast we should give some parameters that we have already created. First we need to give the ground detection, so I can copy this and paste a dot position, and next we should give the ray position, in which direction we want to our ray detect our ground. So in this case uh, we use downward for recast, so I can write down, and after that we should give some speed, we should give length of our array. So I can create a public variable, so we can adjust it from from the inspector array length. Now I should give the array length, or you should write anything as you need, array length. Now save it, and now go to the next, and we should use a condition to check whether the our character is move right or not. So move right equals to true. If move right equals to true, then we should write a code in this, so we can adjust it, so we can move our character to the other direction. Move right, sorry, first we need to have to detect the ground info of our character, whether it is collide with ground or not. So ground info that we have created this for raycast. Now I am copy this and paste dot collider equals to true. Then in this if it collide with something, then we should change the, then we should check whether the if the collider, sorry, if the collider is false, it's already true. If the collider is false, then we should move, we should check that move right is true or not. Move right equals to true. Then we should check that whether our character is move right, then we should change the angle of our character so that it can move in other direction. Transform dot, in this we should use equal angle that is used for detect for change the direction of the that is used to change the angle of the our character. So new actor 3, we should give the angle 0 minus 180 0. So when our character go to right and move right is true, then we should check that the transform angle is minus 180. So in this we should follow the move right equals to false, so our character can move the direction. Now in else we should use the same code with changing the position, and we should use this code same for the else, and only we should change the angle to 0 and move right equals to trio. Now after that we should save this and check that it is maintained or not. Now we should need to create an empty object that is used to for ground detection. Now go to the Unity and create an empty object and name it ground detection. Now I should give some color so that it is visible. So now drag and drop in player. Now make it the child of the player so it can move, it can detect. Now place it from some distance of our character so that it can detect the direction of our raycast. Now drag and drop this enemy script to our player and give the parameter. Now we should give the ground detection speed to raycast value to length equal to 4. Now save it now. Let's check whether it's working or not. Now you see that our character will move, and if I increase the length of the if I increase the length of our sprite, it will move far away. In this way we can use our AI to detect the enemy, so it can move automatically. So now in this video, this is the AI of this character 2D. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel and share this video.